Ladies and gentlemen, digital investors, welcome back to another video. This is a historical video in documenting the daily news. This can go down as probably one of the most historical daily news videos that I will ever upload, because today is the day that Bitcoin broke its previous all-time high from 2017 for the first time ever. So this is 11/30/2020. And Bitcoin hits a new all-time high on many crypto exchanges. Bitcoin's price has broken all psychological and real barriers to cross its previous all-time high of 19,666 on Bitstamp. Earlier today, the cryptocurrency price crossed 19,000 again after it did so a few days ago too, before corrections set in. And at the time, Bitcoin had crossed the $19,000 mark for the first time since December of 2017. Congratulations to every single one of you digital investors who held through this entire 3-year bear market. And even those of you who maybe you just bought in, a couple of months ago, congratulations to you guys as well, because you guys are on an amazing journey with us. And looking at this BTC USD chart, hindsight is always 2020, right? And just what a beautiful accumulation we have had. In these times, we didn't think it was going to be a beautiful accumulation. When all of this was happening, it felt like Bitcoin was going off of a cliff, right? You had to buy despite what your emotions were telling you, right? When your emotions were telling you to get out of your positions, to be fearful that this thing was going to zero, you had to bite the bullet and buy. And that was some of the hardest things to do. Obviously, looking back now, we've hit our old all-time highs. We know Bitcoin is going to do this thing, right? We know we're going on to levels far higher than here. But man, when it was happening, it definitely, we did not feel lucky buying this stuff. So congratulations to all of you guys. We are also going to be closing the monthly candle for today. This candle is going to be closing in 8 hours. And keep in mind, XRP's monthly candle closes today as well. In fact, all the monthly candles are closing today because it is the end of the month. If there was ever a time to watch the charts, guys, today is the day, right? Depending on where we close this candle is going to determine the type of price action we see for the next couple of weeks or months. So I know a lot of you guys, you don't like watching the charts every day, but if there was ever a time where you're just going to sit back, relax, watch the charts, maybe pop a bottle of wine, right? We are at new all-time highs, guys. This is extremely exciting. And with that said, let's get into a little bit of news today. We're not going to go over too much. We're going to keep this a short, brief, and sweet video. I'm also a little bit busy today, so I don't have too much time to go into it. But nonetheless, I do want to show you guys a couple things that are going on. So the analyst who called the crypto breakout says Bitcoin and XRP will soon reach all-time highs. And this came out November 30th, late at night. And by the time it was published, well, at least now, after it was published, Bitcoin has already hit its all-time highs. And this analyst, which is Credible Crypto, by the way, he gives some targets and says some things about altcoins, about what will happen to altcoins when Bitcoin hits its all-time high, namely XRP. And it's pretty interesting. Keep in mind, we are in a parabolic move right now, right? From our March lows when Bitcoin was down here about $3,900, $4,000 area to now, we can say this is a parabolic run. So he says, I do think we're going to extend a lot higher than the all-time high before this parabolic move completes because of the wave structure that I'm seeing here. We may get a fifth wave at something like 32,000 before we get a 30 to 40% correction. He said, I mentioned that the minimum target for the major wave 3 was going to be around 60 cents. We've hit that minimum target and we could definitely go higher. At this point, he is talking about XRP. So he says we've got $1 as the next major area of resistance for XRP. Then I'm expecting some sideways consolidation for a wave 4 before a major wave 5, which could absolutely extend to the $4.10 region. Now, this is extremely bullish, guys. Listen to this. He says, one thing that I want to make very clear here is that in all prior times, Bitcoin has broken an all-time high. Okay, so in all the prior times Bitcoin has broken an all-time high, these altcoins have typically reached their all-time highs within 2 months. Okay, so again, Bitcoin just hit its all-time high. According to Credible Crypto, he is saying that the altcoins should reach their all-time highs within 2 months. This is getting pretty interesting, guys, right? This is a great time to be breathing air. He says, I'm expecting Bitcoin to break all-time high within the next week or 2 weeks, and I suspect that XRP breaks its all-time high within the next 1 to 2 months after Bitcoin breaks its all-time high. So the clock is ticking, guys. The clock is ticking. I'm excited to see what XRP does, right? And as I'm sure you guys do too. I know we got a lot of people who hold and like XRP on this channel, but whether you like or whether you don't like XRP, the chart does look extremely bullish. Here is that XRP chart, and assuming you are not here to invest emotionally and you are here to make money, you are here to invest, XRP is looking like an extremely great buy. Check out this monthly candle, guys. It is sitting at 64 cents. We close in just under 8 hours, and we are about to engulf a year, over a year of previous just downward hellish price action, right? We're going to close above this range right here, this top at 51 cents. We're going to close above these candle body closes at 57 cents. That's all we really need, right? As far as closing above this wick here, we don't really need that. As long as we close above these candle bodies, that is extremely bullish. So I'm gonna be hanging out tonight. I'm gonna be watching some charts. If you guys want to talk to me, you can see me on crypto Twitter. I also want to tell you guys about some Black Friday deals that are going on. You guys know about Ledger, but Unstoppable Domains, they reached out to me and they let me know that there is a buy one get one free. For every 2 domains in your cart, 1 will be free for today only. Okay, so if you want to get a buy one get one free, you only have for today on Monday, and I'm recording this video at 11 a.m. So I'll probably get it uploaded by 1 o'clock, so you probably don't have that much time left. But if you've been looking to pick up a domain, then Unstoppable Domains is probably your best bet, especially today with the Black Friday discount. Also, keep in mind, I don't know if any of you guys have bought domains before, but Unstoppable Domains has no renewal fees. You buy your domain and you own it, period. And also remember, you can hook up your Unstoppable domain with MetaMask and people can send crypto directly to you. Unstoppable Domains is also a working partner with PayID, so you can get crypto sent directly to your blockchain domain. Even if you don't understand how that works yet, I would recommend going out and getting a domain and then learning about it, because hooking up with MetaMask and being able to receive crypto to your domain is really, really cool. And these are going fast. People are already starting to collect really good blockchain domain names, including myself. I went ahead, I got one that was open, and I think it's a really good name. I honestly think I could make some money on it. It's at some point in the future. So if you guys see a good domain name that is open, especially with a buy one get one free, I would consider jumping on it, because just like with .coms, I think .cryptos are going to be very, very good, because again, you can get crypto right to your domain name. So if you do want one and you want to help support the channel, there is an affiliate link in the description below. When you use that link, I do get a kickback from Unstoppable Domains, and I try to put that into the channel in some way. Also, I've been reminding you guys of this for the past week. Ledger is also having 40% off their Ledger hardware wallets with the promo code Black Friday. There's also a link in the description, an affiliate link, and if you go through that link, it will help support the channel. So that is Black Friday 20 is your discount code. Again, they have Ledger Nano X's, Ledger Nano S's. They also have family bundles, and these prices are not reflective of the discount. So at checkout, you put in the discount and you get an additional 40% off these prices. They also have all types of different colors that you can get your S in. I have the black, but personally, if I could, I would get this transparent, because I think the transparent looks awesome, but they didn't have that when I was out. Maybe I'll pick up another transparent. On Black Friday, last day, I might go out and buy a transparent one. I really do want one. I think they look awesome. Let's go over a couple of other prices for today before we wrap this up. So right now, let's give this a refresh. Bitcoin pulling back a little bit at the $19,300 area. Ethereum at $596. XRP at 63.9 cents. Litecoin at $83. You have a $13 Chainlink, a 16-cent Cardano. Stellar is at 19 cents. We'll see what Bitcoin does. We will see where these monthly candle closes, and we'll see if these altcoins go back to their all-time high within 1 to 2 months. Your Fear and Greed Index for today is sitting at 88. And with that said, that is the video, guys. So if you like daily cryptocurrency videos where we go over Bitcoin, altcoins, and everything going on in the crypto space to try and keep you up to date, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. You get a video like this daily. Also, keep in mind that nothing nothing we discuss here is financial advice. I am just documenting the news and the crypto 2020 bull run. If you guys could also tap that like button for me on your way out, that is greatly appreciated. YouTube likes a lot of likes on the videos, and when a video gets a lot of likes, it helps with the YouTube algorithm. They push it more. Basically what happens is if your video has a lot of likes, YouTube thinks it's a good video, and then they will recommend it more. So thank you to all of you who support the channel by liking, commenting, all of that. Again, if you'd like to support the channel further with a little bit of financial support and support yourself, you get 40% off your Ledger hardware wallets, and you get buy one free on blockchain unstoppable domains. Again, you might not understand how the MetaMask setup works now or how all that works, but I would really recommend at least getting a domain and then figuring out the process after, because this is only today, only for Cyber Monday. With that said, again, congratulations guys on us hitting all-time highs. This is a great time. This is a historical moment. So savor the day. And with that said, I'll see you all on the next one. Have a great day, everybody.